channel. As you can see, I am wearing my Geek Feel Batman. This is one of the classic Batmans. Came out. I'm quite happy. Got my Geek Feel box over there, the one that I showed you in a previous episode. This I am super excited about, and also it's very small. I thought it's going to be bigger, but anyways, let's get into this. So for all of you guys out there that do play Dota, you might probably know what it is. This is every year there's a competition in Dota 2 where it's a competition of all the best teams of Dota, and this that I just received is the Dota 2 Collector's Aegis Shield, and that is for getting more than 1,000 points on my compendium. So yes, last year I did spend a bit of money on my compendium, and nothing else in the box. Comes in a nice sleeve, and then we have the box itself. So that is the international for Dota, the championships, and there's just a picture of some of the heroes that we've got in the box or in the game itself. Guys, I'm super excited about this. I've been waiting for this for very, very long, and if I can just get it out of the sleeve, which is quite a tight fit. So it seems like it's in a, oh, that's quite nice. It's actually got like a, it's not glass, but it's like a plastic cover. So I think you can display it in my display cabinet on that. And oh my gosh, this is much better than I thought it's going to be. I love this. I love this. Guys, so that is it's a replica of the Aegis that the winners of the International 2017 won, and it's all steel. It's got a little plate here at the bottom that says here the International 2017 Championship, and this is freaking amazing. I'm gonna try and get it out. This has got quite a bit of weight to it. I love the blue. And you can see all the detail on the Aegis as well, on the shield. And like I say, this is quite heavy. So basically at the back we just have the Dota emblem and 2017, which is basically the year that this Aegis was won. And I love it. I love this. There's so much detail on this. You can actually take it in a bit. All of that detail on there, all of that detail in the middle, the emblem itself, and I'm quite happy. I've seen some of the previous year's Aegis. I love the blue colouring that they brought in. It's a nice touch, and this will go into my display cabinet, and hopefully my sons won't get hold of it. So basically, if we take out the wrapper here, this is not going to be a long one. I just want to show you the Aegis itself, and then when you display it, it will basically sit like that. It's actually got on the back of the display blocks, it's got a little hole there as well where you can hang it on your wall or wherever you want to, and this is epic. Guys, if you like this video, if you like Dota, tell me what your favorite hero is. I'm quite happy. I'm thrilled, over the moon with this. I'm glad I spent some bit of money on getting to 1,000 points on my compendium, and this is going to be a prized item to my collection. Guys, please like my video, subscribe to the channel as well, and I'll see you soon.